UMLA ka BJP na Shillong South Badairu Hakajuk Parliamentary Jongka Sarkar Jalao ba Sanbor Shulai ulong ba umdan Jingeh Eiei ban Iatreilang bar ka Seng Congress. Kani ka Jingong jong ba Sanbor ka long Mark Hong Pong bar President ka BJP Meghalaya ubalaong ba ka Congress bar ka BJP Kimla ban Iatreilang.
You see, that too I cannot see. That is the statement given by the president. So maybe he had a conversation with since he's a president, he had, when this thing happened, that 5 of our friends from the Congress, they have given their support to our MDA government. So maybe he have a conversation. So maybe waiting for the reply. What will be the reply? But as far as myself is concerned, there is no problem. So, Congress or PDF or HSB or they all party only.
Ubashulai uloong ba ka BJP lani ka Congress lani ka HSPDP ki deitang ki Seng sign perthei bar ka badan kam ka long ban Iatreilang na ka banta ka jalahi barok way ban na ka banta ki pajba.
This mere party only, BJP, Congress, there is that different kind of parties. Finally, once we are elected from various parties, finally the vision, the mission is to work for the development of the state and to maintain peace and harmony in the state. That is the vision of each and every elected responsible member. If he belong to any party also, but we should work together for the development and prosperity of the state as a whole.